Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers out here in Kansas City North, 64118, I believe. We got to push this wall back to vertically level. As you can see, it's leaning in. I can't push it back to vertically level until I get air behind it. This King Piers design, we're going to go ahead and dig all this out, haul it off, and when we're done here, we'll bring back some AB3 crushed rock. I'll bring it back PUD, nice and wet. We'll compact it, and then we'll pour a sidewalk over the top of it, put the handrail back, and we'll be done. On the other side of the building, there's also 4 King Piers, King Pier 2s on the south side. For all your foundation repair needs, we're the very best. We're the proven best. Whether you want to like it or not, it's a fact. Nobody's better at raising houses and buildings and structures or walls, whatever it is. If we can get underneath it, we can raise it. King Piers, 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.